Women are unstoppable. Happy Women's Day, everyone. It's a day to celebrate women, and they are putting an effort to make that happen.
This is the first time I'm following something and I'm really loving it.
I should say well organized group ride. Excellent.
It was a very good initiative. The ride was very smooth.
जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो ना तो राइड करो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
I'm very glad that TVS Eurogrip came up with this idea of sharing this platform to come, and also the one who is aspiring one.
It was extremely thoughtful. We want many more, such events to be organized for women especially.
We are unstoppable.
We are unstoppable.
We are unstoppable.
We are unstoppable. We love TVS Eurogrip tires.
We love TVS Eurogrip tires.
We love TVS Eurogrip tires.